Hello everyone, now we will learn about the remote control feature. Remote control is a feature through which you can share your screen right with the student. What is the screen right? If you will share your screen right with the student, then student will be able to control your screen. Why you need to share your screen right with the student? So suppose you are taking third and fourth class student class and you want to engage them with the class activity. So you have to share your screen right with them with the help of the remote control feature. Now I'm going to show you practically how you can share your screen right with the student with the help of the remote control option. Once you become a teacher, you will get let's practice slide from our team of your subject. You have to click on the let's practice and then you will get link. After every let's practice, you will get link. So you have to click on the link and then you will get new tab. Now you have to click on the remote control option and then you will get list of the participant. Now you have to select one name with whom you want to share your screen, right? So once you will share your screen right with the student, then student will get one notification that he or she can control your screen. Now you have to ask them to control your screen by clicking anywhere on their screen, and then you have to ask them to perform the activity. Now activity is done. Once your activity is done with the student, then you have to take your screen right back as well. For taking the screen right back, what you need to do, you have to click on the remote control option again. Okay, once you will click on the remote control option again, you will get one notification about control or stop remote control option. Once you will click on the stop remote control option or about control option, then student will not able to control your screen. So this is all about the remote control option. Thank you.